insane. Yeah, I hit you with a bullet to the brain. Let us stop first cause we going insane.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज योर फिट ट्यूबर राहुल बैक विद अनदर वीडियो। कुछ दिनों पहले गुरु मान, जो कि काफ़ी फेमस है हमारी फिटनेस कम्युनिटी में, उन्होंने एक पोस्ट डाला दैट ही इज़ लॉन्चिंग हिज फिटनेस अपैरल ब्रांड। आई सॉ दैट पोस्ट एंड आई वाज एक्साइटेड। मैं तब से उनके इंस्टाग्राम पेज और उनके ब्रांड के इंस्टाग्राम पेज, जिसका नाम उन्होंने जी आउटफिट रखा है, उस ब्रांड पेज को कॉन्स्टेंटली फॉलो कर रहा था। एंड 2-3 days बैक दे स्टार्टेड द काउंटडाउन, बट एज पर देयर रिलीज्ड लॉन्च डेट इट गॉट डिलेड बाय I think 2 days, but I was still following them, and finally we got a post yesterday telling that the next day, which was today, that their brand will be launched and they will launch it online through their website at 6 in the evening. I set a reminder and I was waiting for the same. कुछ सालों पहले जब गुरुमान ने अपना न्यूट्रिशन ब्रांड लॉन्च किया, एट दैट टाइम आई पर्सनली विश्ड कि वो एक अपैरल ब्रांड भी निकालें। उस टाइम पे ये मेरी एक सोच थी और मुझे आइडिया नहीं था कि शायद उसी टाइम के आसपास ही वॉज ऑल्सो प्लानिंग फॉर द सेम, विच ही शेयर्ड दैट हिज ब्रांड आइडिया इज ईयर्स बैक व्हेन ही वॉज प्लानिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स। मैंने ऐसा इसलिए सोचा उस टाइम पे बिकॉज मैंने जब उनका न्यूट्रिशन ब्रांड देखा, सो आई फाउंड दैट द ब्रांड विच ही क्रिएट्स मेनली फोकस on the quality, and I wished that we have apparel brands in India which provide us the top notch quality at a competitive price compared to the price charged by the flagship brands. ऐसा नहीं है कि इंडिया में रीजनेबल प्राइस पे हमारी फिटनेस अपैरल अवेलेबल नहीं है, बट कहीं ना कहीं प्राइस कम होने के साथ साथ वो क्वालिटी पे गिव अप कर देते हैं, एंड इन द एंड वी गेट द प्रोडक्ट्स विच डोंट हैव सूदिंग फैब्रिक, विच लैक गुड स्टिचिंग, which have different accessories like chains of poor quality which break in the matter of few days, or the fabric which is not letting our skin to breathe when we are sweating in gym. So this move by launching this brand is something much needed. जब उन्होंने अपनी वेबसाइट पे लॉन्च किया तो उन्होंने अपने प्रोडक्ट रेंज के बारे में कुछ नहीं बताया, जिसको जानने के लिए I texted them on their Instagram page and their marketing team is humble enough to reply. So I was really happy to see that how humble these people are and how they are looking forward to listen to people, especially those who are excited about their new product lineup. तो जब कल उन्होंने ये पोस्ट डाला अपने पेज पे कि it will be launched tomorrow in the evening at 6, so I had set my reminder to that. I was in office. As soon as I got that reminder, I opened their site. The products were showing over there. I wanted to check out few things, but I was aware that the site will crash in few moments because the number of followers Guru Man sir has is tremendous, and so that's why I tried to place my order as soon as possible. जो प्रोडक्ट्स उनकी साइट पर भी अभी अवेलेबल हैं वो 5 से 6 कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, उससे ज़्यादा अभी उन्होंने डिस्प्ले में नहीं किए हैं। जैसा कि गुरुमान सर ने अपनी वीडियो में भी बताया कि आगे की प्रोडक्ट लाइनअप वो लॉन्च करने वाले हैं। सो आउट ऑफ दोज अवेलेबल्स आई एक्चुअली वॉज लुकिंग फॉर अ जिम वेस्ट, स्पेशली द गुरुमान स्टाइल जिम वेस्ट, जो उन्होंने सालों पहले अपनी वीडियो में वेस्ट टी शर्ट से कट करके बनानी सिखाई थी। आई विश्ड वो भी प्रोडक्ट लाइनअप में होती, बट एज टोल्ड बाय गुरुमान सर इन हिज प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च वीडियो इटसेल्फ कि वो फर्दर समर के प्रोडक्ट्स रेंजेस लाइन अप करने वाले हैं इन मैटर ऑफ कमिंग कपल ऑफ मंथ्स। तो अभी उनकी वेबसाइट पे टी शर्ट, हुडीज, sleeveless hoodies, they have hairband or headband, what you call that, and they have skin fit pants. I personally prefer straight fit pants, something like which in most of videos Guruman sir himself wears in gym. I don't have strong legs, so I prefer straight fit pants, not the skinny ones, but only skinny fit pants, gym pants were available. But out of curiosity, I placed the order. The moment I placed the order, I realized that their site has crashed. So I was not sure whether my payment has successfully done or not. But I received a mail telling me that my order has been confirmed. As soon as the website crashed, I texted them on the G Outfit page of Instagram and in few minutes I got a reply telling that they have received an overwhelming response from people, and because of which they are facing some technical problem and their site will be available back soon. Their site launch was scheduled at 6 p.m. By 6:03 p.m. my order was placed and I got my order number ending with number 53. So I assume that I am the 53rd person to order, and within the matter of 3 minutes of the site going live, 52 orders were already placed ahead of me. This tells that people are excited about this new product launch from Guruman. In the evening when I came back from my office, I saw the video launched by Guruman sir. What he shared, उसमें मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा जो बात अच्छी लगी वो ये कि their products actually are looking forward to compete with the flagship brands in terms of quality, and their manufacturing is based in India. I also admire that their marketing team and the whole team working behind this brand is looking forward to get suggestions from people, their feedbacks. So looking at all of these, in short, you get a brand which is ready to cater to your suggestions, to your feedbacks, to your requirements, ready to give you the best of quality at a reasonable and much competitive price. I will not say the cheapest, but a really competitive price compared to the price charged by the flagship big name brands. Seeing the response, the way their team is responding and catering to people, and looking at their brand theme, which I personally like. I personally like minimalistic brandings and the best in quality material, be it fabric, be it its various components like chains, buttons, tying laces, which Guruman sir also shared in his video about the quality of the different parts used in making their apparel. I feel that the brand will serve the need of Indians very well. Talking about the dream of Guruman sir to make in India and sell in USA, I highly appreciate a vision like that, and I highly wish that it comes true soon. All the impressions I have about the brand launch and the products, no matter the number of products, are very less at this stage. I am hoping everything to go positive as of now, but as I always say, I always make sure that I give you my true and genuine feedback and suggestions. I'll be able to give you the real picture of the product once I receive them. So stay tuned, and I'll be back with my next video where I will review about the product once I receive it. I hope my order is successfully placed, and if it is not, and if their team is looking at, please send me. I'm ready to pay for that, but I truly want to try and give a feedback to the viewers, to the G Outfit team. So this is it for this video. This is your FitTuber Rahul. I'll be back in my next video. Good night. Also, before going, मेरी वीडियो में पीछे काफ़ी डिस्टर्बेंस आ रही होगी, और I'm not properly dressed, my camera audio is not properly set up. I'm just recording it with my poor room lighting. I did not have time to set up my studio light and shoot a video. This is a big struggle time going in my side hustle. So I think you don't mind the disturbances if you faced in my video. Just bear with me and I'll be back with a better quality video. That's it for today. This is your FitTuber hustler Rahul. I'll be back in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
You know that I go insane. Yeah, I hit you with a bullet to the brain. Let us stop first cause we going insane.